This evening, Rabbi Yoel Schwartz shared with us some fascinating insights about the holiday of Tu B'Shvat, which we are celebrating at this moment in the holy city of Jerusalem. Rabbi Schwartz brought sources from Kabbalah about the three different types of fruit that we mentioned before. How the lowest type first has the outer shell, like the nuts, and then the next level only has a pit, and the highest level doesn't even have a pit. It's all fruit. And he shared another interesting insight from Jewish tradition, that first comes the shell, and then comes the fruit. Aklipa koderet lapri. First the shell, first the husk, then the fruit. And he wanted to explain a chapter in Israeli history with this idea. We know that the largest political party in Israel at the time when the state was established was Mapai, and closely behind was Mapam. They joined forces and they became the Labor Party, Mifleget Avodah. And in the last few days, they have disintegrated even further and further into small fragments. There's not much left of them. And the instrument in the hands of God has a name. His name is Barak. He is the one who's instrumental in bringing about this disintegration. And it's very interesting how the Bible tells us, Barak Barak Sipitzeh. Our King David wrote in Psalms over 2,500 years ago, Barak Barak Sipitzeh. Let the lightning strike and spread them out. Spread out all these people in all different directions. And that's what he's done. Just in our times, the last few days, how Mr. Barak has been instrumental, as we said, in spreading out, spreading apart little pieces, the remnants of these two original parties, Mapai and Mapam, which helped build this country. But now, Israel is showing its beautiful fruits. Not just its physical fruits, but spiritual fruits. The largest centers of Orthodox Judaism today are in the land of Israel. The largest yeshivot. Tens of thousands of young men sit and study the Torah, including the Bible and the Talmud, and the Kabbalah, throughout this holy land. And we are very grateful for this. On Tu B'Shvat, we celebrate the fact that Israel is bursting and blooming with beautiful fruit, physically and spiritually. Today on the bus, someone asked me an interesting question. He said, tell me, does the United States of America have such a bounty of fruit as we have here in Israel? I mean, I thought that was so ironic, because when I came here as a youngster, it was much less. Rabbi Schwartz told us this evening when he was a youngster, there was almost no fruit in the land of Israel. They had to bring fruits and vegetables from Egypt and from Iraq. In fact, the dates that we showed you before originated in Iraq, but here they grow much better. He told us how they had to bring powdered milk from America and little cubes of dried milk from Holland. And today, the situation is the opposite. Israel is an exporter of milk and of delicious fruits and vegetables. There's a tremendous bounty. And this brings to mind the prophecy of Yechezkel, Ezekiel, how God told Yechezkel to share with us that the land of Israel will remain barren for hundreds and hundreds of years. It will be desolate. And up until the Aliyah, the mass Aliyah of the Jewish people, which started around 150 years ago, it was desolate. Mark Twain, the famous author, was here, and he wrote that when he was walking from Jerusalem up to Mount Tabor in the Galilee, the land was so desolate that even imagination could not bring it to life. He said he didn't see one living thing, one living creature. And we have witnessed such a beautiful blossoming of this country as it prepares itself for its people and it prepares itself for the redemption. The Talmud states in the Tractate Sanhedrin, Leaf 98, that when we see the mountains of Israel giving off beautiful fruit, Ein lecha ketz megula mizeh, which means there's a sure sign that Mashiach, the Messiah, is soon on his way. Enjoy your Tu B'Shvat. Leila Tov.